My fellow South Africans, let me put this nicely. My fellow South Africans, I am here to humbly want to make sure ukuthi I never be on the wrong side of you all, because what you guys did to Umnyumtwana is evident that South African fans will show you who they are. I remember one day I did a video, not long time ago, after the Sweet Guluva thing, and I said, with or without you, I will make it. I will sell. Sompire will sell. My concert will be full. I still meant it because I was talking to haters. But to my fans, let me tell you, anything you want. When I see you in the street, you ask for a picture. Tell me what you want me to do. Tell me. Tell me what you want me to do. I will worship the ground that you walk on. Tell me what you want me to do. If you want a picture, then after a picture, you want to give me your bills, the bond, the rent, the car installment. Nkona, my fans, naka makhadi ami, nayine mali oyifunayo oyithola, naka makhadi ami, ngizoswiper for as long as I'm on the right side of you guys. Ngizoswiper. If ufuna choreography umshado wakini, choreographer, anything you want as long as I'm on the right side. Noma ngithi ngiyadla usithombe ngithi anything for you. Unga-offenda yonke into or wonke umuntu, unga-offend ama-fans akho. They are called fans for a reason. Abantu omele ungabe nesikhathi sabo ama-haters or ama-bullies. Ama-fans, oh. So, deal. Whatever you want, I'll give to you. Picture plus paying your school fees. Picture plus buying you a car. Because kahle if nale pizza le makathi ngiyiluma uyithathe or uthi wo singile qala. Do you know what everything like yenu everything yenu from head to toe. Mina my friends if ngisema robotini ngihamba ngemoto yami ukokote windweni uthi hlala ngale yimi fan yakho, hayi woza okanjani danko.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So Miz speaks about Scott Maphuma being ignored a stage while he was performing. Bantu bambuka nje guys, abanganyakade bangendi lutho, bambuka nje atiqulela atijayivela waze wababutha ukuthi bathuleleni kuze kwanyakada stage sekungene toss ngikhani bani bascream ababangamsindo. The reason why bantu bendasokuthi they've been complaining about Scott Maphuma having an attitude, and instead kokuthi alungise guys, into yabona ama-fans akhe ayakhala, uhamba lapha ku-podcast ya-L2 wayekhuluma kokuthi yena ubantu anything, yena akakendwa abantu kokuthi azabela khona utentile, yena it's his hard work, yena akangathatha ipicture nemuntu angafuni. Yo guys wakhuluma into bad bantu kwabakwatisa kakhulu, asho ukuthi yena futhi nje akanqenqi lutho, yena bantu batomsupporta. Uyabona Scott Maphuma like has that 1% ukuthi bekangicabanga ukuthi angaba famous, and now that he's famous ngasababoni labanye bantu. So most people are always complaining about Scott Maphuma having attitude. Even nalapha kuma-TikTok, kuma-social media platforms siyabona ama-video akhe la bantu bazama khona kuthatha ama-pictures naye ale or bamkhulumisa baphusha babodwa ukuthi bayahlanya. Yo guys, une-attitude nangumfana nang, and instead kokuthi alungise ayiqha uthi yena nje ubantu lutho yena angiba ulutho mina abantu. Sometimes ngiye mall ngiyotithengela into yami sifuna mina ngithathe picture noma ngingafuni. Yes, ufuna uthathe because these people are your fans. These people are the ones laba kusupportako. If wena ungaba treat kahle the very same people laba kusupportako uyosupportwa ngibani, but it seems like yena nje akayingeni le utitshela kahle ukuthi yena akanqengi umuntu. He even said ukuthi yena la khona angeke azakhishwe ngumuntu, so people are now showing him ukuthi we made you are who you are because of us. Bambuka abantu nje netho so Miss uyasho nje ukuthi yo guys, I mean ngiyanthanda ama fans like he was just doing it damage control because ukwakhuluma kabi ngalomfana lo bathi ngibani bathi semvotela uSuit Golova thena lo Suit Golova wenu futhi angeke awine. So wabona nje ukuthi abantu kwabakwadisa lokho, so ever since lokho nje Somizi akafuni ukudlala ngema-fans akhe. Akakhulumi nje into leti phambukile. So people are saying ukuthi Scott akalungisa i-attitude yakhe before it's late because bantu batomkhiphe egamini. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.